In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add a symmetry mate so that when this jaw moves in and out relative to the solid jaw, this one will too. Currently, they're independent, and this one also goes completely through the jaw, where this one has the limit distance mate we just added in the previous video. To do that, I need a plane in the center of my part. So first, I need to look at my part and see where the planes are in it. And I currently don't have a plane in the center. So to fix that, select my solid jaw, select Edit Part, and up here in the reference geometry, I'm going to tell it I want to create a plane. I'll select this face, I'll rotate around and select this face. I'm just going to rotate back. By default, SolidWorks is recognizing that I want a plane in between these two, so it's creating the midplane for me. I'm going to accept that. I'm going to name it down here, midplane, and then I'm going to stop editing my part. And now I can use this plane to add the symmetry mate. So I'll select the plane. I'm going to hold Control, select this face. I'm going to rotate around. I'm going to hold Control again, select this face. I won't move my mouse, so when I release Control, my mates will pop up. And the only option is symmetry, and that's exactly what I want. So go back to the isometric view, and now these two parts move symmetrically about that new plane I just created.